and she'll be joining me.
Hi.
Yeah, here she is. Hi, Avika. How are you?
You look so pretty.
Thank you.
I miss you.
As well. Oh.
मैं आज जब जैस्मिन से भी बात करी थी मैं यही बोल रही थी मिसिंग यू
किससे? किससे?
जैस्मिन.
Yes, आज हमारी दोस्त जैस्मिन का बर्थडे है. So
मैं मिस कर रही हूँ आप लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा.
But it's lockdown ना, हम सब बंद है.
मैं वैसे भी हैदराबाद में हूँ. कहाँ मिलते हैं अब?
I know. So what are your plans for your birthday?
So this time I'm doing something very different. This time I have started a fundraiser with Camp Diaries, the NGO, and they work with underprivileged kids and with government school children and low-income private schools ke children, and they teach them extracurricular and co-curricular activities.
Yeah.
These activities are like so much fun, like singing, dancing, drama, coding, science experiments, and Rubik's cube solving and stuff like that. Public speaking.
Yeah.
So they teach all of this, and they have their camps, and yeah, I'm supporting them this time. So I have started a fundraiser where basically I'll be urging people to donate, and जितना भी donation होगा, I'll be matching that donation. So for example, if somebody donates 500, I'll be adding my 500 to it. So basically, there is a double donation happening during my birthday for that NGO. So that is the plan. एंड इधर पार्टी तो ऑब्वियसली नहीं हो रही है, फ्रेंड्स से मिलना तो नहीं हो रहा है, इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि मैं अपने फ्रेंड से रिक्वेस्ट करूं कि वो इस फंडरेजर में और इस बर्थडे पूरे प्लान में मेरा सपोर्ट करें, एंड आप कर रहे हो, सो थैंक यू मीरा.
आई थिंक मैंने जितने भी लोगों को आपके इस इनिशिएटिव के बारे में बताया दैट यू नो यू आर सेलिब्रेटिंग योर बर्थडे इन दिस वे, एवरीवन हैड टू से सच good things, and they were like it's a really nice thought and a great cause. So yeah, I think it's a wonderful thing that you're doing, and with the times being so bad and testing, I feel that it's great that you're doing what you're doing.
Thank you, Meera. I love you so much. I wanted to connect with you, especially because there are a lot of your fans who are, you know, youngsters. They get pocket money. So I wanted to tell them that, you know, आपकी, for example, एक दिन की pocket money भी अगर आप donate करना चाहो, it would really impact a life. And that means a lot. मैं ये उन सबको बोलना चाहती हूँ जो आपके कैरेक्टर्स से बहुत इंस्पायर होते हैं. मैं उनको ये कहना चाहती हूँ दैट फॉर योर वन डे का ऐश is equal to somebody's life, so you rather choose that. So that is the reason I wanted you specially, and I wanted to reach out to your audience, your lovely people who love you so much, and that is the reason I wanted your support, and thank you so much for doing that for me.
For sure, Avika, and I will tell everybody who's watching this live and the people who are following Avika and me as well, कि we'll be sharing the link of Camp Diaries, and whoever is interested or whoever wants to, give a small gift to Avika, please go and sorry.
Wow, this only Meera can do.
Sorry. Please go and make a small donation. Even if it's a small donation, it will help because boon boon se darya bhagta hai. So please, guys, go and give small donations or whatever is possible for you, and help all those kids, and do bless Avika for doing what she is, and I am wishing you in advance a very happy birthday.
Thank
and
you.
may you have a great year ahead. May you be safe, and wish you lots of good health, and come back to Mumbai soon.
Thank you, and wish me a nice girls trip also with you and Jasmine.
I know. वो तो मतलब अब इस साल तो pending रहेगा. I think not be wanting to go out, but yeah.
Soon. And also, you have so many beautiful fans. So one of them is Meera.planet. I have to mention her. So as soon as I put out the poster of us coming live, which was yesterday, last night I put out that poster. Within 5 minutes, she donated. and that really touched my heart ki matlab I just just shared this good news that you'll be coming live, and she got so excited that she went to the link and donated. So guys, I'm really thankful to especially Mira.planet and everybody else, because you guys are really really amazing and you guys are really supporting me in this, and that really means a lot. आप लोगों ने हर बार मुझे बर्थडे पे गिफ्ट्स, बुकेज, चॉकलेट्स, टेडीज ये सब बहुत भेजा है. इस बार मैं कुछ अलग करना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि अब मैं थोड़ी सी मेच्योर और बड़ी हो गई हूँ. So I really want this to happen in a nice way and a big way. So the link is in my bio. So you can go check it out, read about it. उसके बाद आप चूज करना कि आप डोनेट करना चाहते हैं कि नहीं. So first go and read about it. And again, thank you so much, Meera. Because of your support, your fans are really, opening their hearts, and that really means a lot.
Yes. And honestly, on last year on my birthday also, without me asking anyone to do it, उन लोगों ने 1000 लोगों को खाना खिलवाया था. They had arranged, the fans had gone out and they had collected some funds together, and they had fed people in need. So that's really sweet of all of them, and yeah, so I hope ki all those people will come forward and make small donations, whatever is possible for them, but it'll be great help to all those kids.
You are amazing, Meera, and your fans are even more amazing.
बस ऐसी इतनी तारीफें मत करो, बहुत हो गया. It's like too formal.
अच्छा ओके, मतलब मुझे इतने ही पैसे दिए थे ना आपने, इतनी तारीफ करनी है. अच्छा बताओ आजकल लॉकडाउन में चल क्या रहा है, बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु वांट टू नो दैट. क्या कर रहे हो आप, व्हाट ऑल आर यू डूइंग एंड वेयर आर यू बिजी?
I think people know that I've been baking and reading and just lazing around in this lockdown, doing nothing else, and it's been really boring. But I think now life has started coming back to normal, and धीरे धीरे people have started going out, meeting people for some time, doing work meetings. People have started going for work. Yeah, but it's a good thing कि अभी जगहें खुली नहीं है. The shops have not opened and restaurants and whatever is not open, so people will still keep at home. So yeah,
I am also hoping कि ये सब थोड़ा सा जल्दी अभी थोड़ा normal हो जाए, because I miss shooting, I miss working a lot, and I'm just waiting कि even in Hyderabad everything for now is on hold, nothing is open yet. So
Yeah.
we're just waiting for things to get back to normal. Hey Meera, hey Abhika, Shashank Bhaiya is here, Shashank Vyas. Hi.
Oh wow, hi.
So yeah, so this is what even I was exactly thinking about कि अब बस सब कुछ जल्दी जल्दी normal हो जाए. This is exactly what I want. And yeah, मैं normal होते ही मैं मुंबई आऊंगी और मैं आपसे मिलूंगी. I'm missing you a lot. It's really been long. It's really been long.
Almost a year, I guess, since we met.
And हम लोग जब मिलते हैं, हम वो बोलते हैं ना, मिल बैठेंगे 3 यार. It's like Meera, Jasmine and Avika. Oh, that pagalpan I'll never forget.
Yeah.
So yeah, and yeah, thank you for joining me, supporting me, and thank you for making this birthday week very very special for me.
Thank you, Avika, for having me join you with this, and a part of making me also do a good deed with you. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you guys for loving us so much. One more time, the link is in my bio. Go check it out. And
I will also post.
Milind Chandwani from the founder of Cam Diaries just messaged saying we just received 2 donations because of you guys.
How
Yay! Thank you. I am so glad.
What the hell?